The first example on translation, and we know what translation is. It's when you move an object left, right, or up and down, but it stays the same shape. Let's investigate that with this square. It asks us to draw the square with the corners at these points. So 4, 0, remember you do the x first, 4, 0 is here. And I'm not going to do it with a circle, in fact, I'm going to do it with a cross. Now next is 1, 3, which is here. And then 4, 6, so 4 across, 6 up. And 7, 3. Now this graph only goes to 6, but 7 will be here. 7 and 3. Yeah, that's a square, right? So I could do this with a straight line, but I don't know how to do that on this software, so I'm just going to do some basic straight lines. You would do this with the ruler, of course. There you go. And it says here that the square is translated along this vector. Now this simply means 5 in the x direction and 2 in the y direction. So if we have a look at this coordinate here, and we translate that by 5, 2, then we go 5 across, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to here, and then it moves up 2, 1, 2 to here. So overall it's moved 5 across and 2 up. And this point here is now here. If I did that with all of these points, then this would move over here, this would move over here, and this would move somewhere over here. And overall, you'll end up by having the square over here somewhere. Although I haven't drawn it very well, it would look a bit like this. And to make it a bit clearer, here is a much better graph, a picture to show that. So every one of these corners has moved 5 across and 2 up. And this is simply what translation means. Notice the shape hasn't changed shape, it's just moved place.